Okay, so to uninstall the app, just long press, and then you should see a pop-up. And depending on your operating system, it's going to show different things. In my case, I have an Android, a Pixel phone, so I have to drag it all the way to the top of the screen and drop it on top of uninstall. And then I would have to confirm, and that would be it. If you have a Samsung or something different, you might see something like this. So just tap on uninstall, and it's going to uninstall. If you have an iPhone, just long press and then just tap on remove app. If you don't see this option, just go to settings, then go to general, iPhone storage, find the app, and then tap on delete. Now, if you are on an Android but you don't see the remove option in the pop-up, go to settings. So drag from the top of the screen. Then go to settings. Then go to apps. Open the app. So tap on that app, and then you have uninstall, confirm, and yeah, that's it.